Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. During cold weather, we'll be in search of hot and spicy soups. And this Manchow soup is just perfect for the season. It's an indo-chinese dish. Let's see how to make it. So into a pan, add some oil and saute some chopped garlic. Add in chopped onion. Saute till its color changes. Into that, add in some veggies like carrots, cabbage and beans. Saute it for some time. Then add in the sauces like tomato sauce and soy sauce. Then add some water or vegetable stock. And once it starts to boil, add some salt and some cornflour slurry. That is 1 tablespoon cornflour mixed with some water. Add it into the soup and boil it. And when the soup turns thick, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now this next ingredient really changes the game. So boil some noodles, add some cornflour and mix it. Then fry them in oil. These crunchy noodle strips in soup really brings out the taste of the soup. So never skip it. This is the star of the show. So definitely try out this recipe during this cold winter. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.